Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. What an exciting day that we have. We're proud to cut the ceremonial ribbon today to celebrate the opening of the first charter public school in Des Moines.
The future of our state is sitting right out there.
I also would like to thank Concept Schools. Without Concept, we would not be here today.
Success comes when opportunity meets preparation. Thank you again, Governor Reynolds, for this wonderful opportunity.
Just a year ago, we were just talking about, is this possible? And here we are with the governor and all the people that made this a reality. So thanks to everybody out there.
I can't believe that we've got this done in a year. It is incredible, the pace at which we've moved. A beautiful day and just great things to come. I could not be more pleased to be here and be part of the celebration of opening Horizon Science Academy. Again, my thank you to Concept Schools for expanding into Iowa and really beginning what promises to be a truly highly effective partnership. I think it points to what I appreciate most about Concept's approach, as well as the power of charter schools in general, and that's filling educational gaps in underserved communities. As Des Moines' first independently managed chartered school, Horizon, I'm proud to say, is doing exactly that. Its distinctive emphasis on STEM, which I have been a proponent for so long. As a lieutenant governor, it was one of my #1 objectives. It works for our kids. I love the hands-on experience and really helps them see what their potential is.
1, 2, 3, go! Special guest, Governor Reynolds is here. And she's going to read a book to your class.
And guess what? And he loved every minute of it. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
The idea of being surrounded by faculty, staff, and other parents who are choosing to be here, not just because they lived in the area and not just because it was somewhere that everyone else had already been sending their kid. This was a genuine and true choice by everyone to be here for the first year, and that's something that we wanted to be a part of. So we really and genuinely have loved our experience. We've just really been overjoyed with her experience and continuing to make us believe that we made the right choice sending her here.
We have open door policy, so anytime that you want to come tour the building, give us a call, stop in, we can give you a tour. But we do serve all students. So we've got students with special ed, we have ESL students, we have gifted and talented students. So we take all students and everybody is welcome. So if you are interested in coming out to just check out the school, give me a call, stop in, or you can go ahead and just register right online.